Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share threads on Instagram. So guys, let's continue into your Threads app. Now at first you have to post something on your threads. So I'm posting something. So after posting your post, just tap on the plane icon. Now tap on post to feed. Now tap on the blue arrow in the right side of the corner. And guys, you can also edit your post. And after all this, again tap on the blue arrow in the right side of the corner. And guys, now if you want to share threads on your Instagram, then again just tap on the blue arrow in the right side of the corner, and then your post will be shared on your Instagram. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can share your threads on Instagram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.